Good evening. My name is Durgappa Patre, working as a lecturer in Government Engineering College, Haveri. I am going to discuss some topics on the internet. So the first topic is what is World Wide Web. So then what is internet. So next what is domain name system. So let me start with what is an internet. So internet is, we know already. So internet is nothing but a huge collection of computers. And first the internet was launched in 1960s by DoD's, we are calling. DoD's is nothing but defense, Department of Defense, which is located in USA. The main purpose of that is to share the research work and share the program and next share the resources to the internet. So in internet the software is available, that name server. Name server takes that particular domain name and converts into equivalent to the IP address. So IP address is somewhere. So IP address which is find out by the name server where the particular IP address is available. So that request is sent to the web server. So in web server takes that particular request and sends the response to the web browser. So here domain name and IP address, domain name is converted into IP address, that is done by the name server. So this diagram shows conversion of domain name to the IP address. For example, so here you take one example here, movies.comedy.marksbros.com. So movies is the host name, comedy is the local domain name, and Marksbros is the part of the comedy, and .com is the part of Marksbros here. Discuss what is web browser. So web browser, which is a computer which sends a particular request to the web server. So web server takes that particular request and sends the response to the client. So web server here, web browser, so many softwares we have, such as Internet Explorer, which is the most popular web browser, and next one is Firefox is there, which is latest version of web browser. So similarly in web server, so server takes the particular request from the web browser. So there again we have some softwares like Apache server, Tomcat server, IIS, so many softwares we have. So again when we want to develop a particular web page, so at that time we have tools here. So web programming tools we are calling. So many web programming tools we have, such as client side and server side. See, usually in client side there we have languages. The basic language is HTML language, but nowadays we have so many tools available for web browsers, web application. So XHTML is the latest version. So similarly we have so many tools are available. So similarly in the side of browser server, so there again we have so many tools we are using. So web server tools are nothing but per language we are using. So the main purpose of per language is it stands for practical extract reporting language we are calling. So when server receives the request from the web browser, so that request is assigned to the particular language, like per language, so which is we are calling as a common gateway interface. So which is the interface between server and the backend here. So when request assigned to the CGI takes that request and sends the response to the web browser. So my conclusion is, so to know about the what is IP address and what is domain name service, and next what is World Wide Web.